YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to change out this toilet flush. This one is the fill valve, and unfortunately when the water is full and then this thing, the leveler pull up, it doesn't stop the water from leaking. The water still leaking out, doesn't stop. So you could change this cap, but it is cheaper to buy the whole set. I bought this Floof Master 400A from Lowe's for $8.98, plus tax is about $9 something. You could also buy the one with the 3-pack. It's $21.98. So I figured I only need one, but you never know. If you have a big house, you might want to buy in bulk to save money. But this one has a 5 years warranty. Number one solution to fix noisy toilet, and it is universal. So yeah, let's go and then unbox this. They come with this screw. And then this is the clamp for the hose, which is this one right here. Wow, it's pretty long. Come with the instruction. Quick installation guide. And this is the fill valve right here. You can adjust this. This is for the water level for your water tank, how high and how low. And this one is the floater. And you got the rubber O-ring right here. You will need to push this up in order to adjust the fill valve, the height, how high you want or how low. I'm just going to leave the way it is for now. In order to remove this, you need to unscrew this water line hose. Make sure you shut it off, and make sure you have a bucket to catch the water and then a towel ready. This one, you just turn it this way, and the water is gonna drip, okay? Push it out of the way. And then you need to unscrew this one. By the way, you want to push this fill valve. You need to use both hands. Push it down, or else the water is going to drip everywhere, okay? Normally I like to push down while I loosen this nut right here. And after that, you could pull it up, put the fill up valve up, and then all the water is gonna drip down here, okay? So yeah, make sure you have some kind of bucket to catch all the water. As you can see, the water is getting everywhere, so yeah, let me do both hands and then do it from there. I don't want to drip everywhere inside there. Alright, so we got the old one out. Get ready to install the new one. As you 6C, make sure you don't get water damage. Wipe it all right away. Alright, so with the new one, we're going to install this hose. Yeah, I'm going to use both hands. This is the old one that I take it out. So as you can see, when I move this up and down, this thing doesn't really close correctly. So as you can see, the tube for the old one is pretty short. You might want to go ahead and measure the same tube and then cut the excessive tube out. We're gonna cut this down there, okay? And we're gonna measure it correctly and then to cut it and to connect the hose over here. Alright, so like this. And then you can adjust the water level right here for the water tank. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So this is the oil fill line right here. Pretty quiet compared to the old one. And make sure nothing gonna get caught right here with this flash bar right here. I'm gonna test it out. We need more water because it's maybe like a 3/4. So I'm gonna adjust the filter to get a higher instead of going lower. By the way, you could also adjust this. This one is very low right now. I think that should be okay. If you want to adjust this higher, there's like this white clip right here. You need to push it upward, and then after that you could adjust how high and how low you want. Okay. So yeah, you must put this upward so it doesn't lock this in place, and then now you can move up and down. But before you put this back in, make sure all this tab or the lock doesn't expand. It has to be smooth. Else this white band doesn't lock back in. Like that, okay? Anyway, we wanted to go ahead and wipe out everything and make sure nothing is gonna drip, and check for any leaks, or else it's gonna get water damage. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.